Hello, good morning.
How's it going?
It's going well. Do you remember I talked to you about learning JavaScript?
Awesome that you've been diving into JavaScript. Since you've already been at it for a few weeks, I'd say you're on a good track. Um, Generally, if you can dedicate a consistent amount of time, say a few hours a week, you could get a solid grasp of the fundamentals in about 3 to 6 months. Of course, it can vary depending on how much time you can put in and the complexity of the projects you tackle, but you're definitely on the right path.
Okay, thank you very much. I learned the truthy and faulty values. I learned about equality operators. That is very, very important when we want to work with if statements. And I also learned Boolean logics. Also, the switch statement. And now I'm currently learning the conditional operator. It's like the different ways of writing if statements, right? You can use if else. Um, you can also use the switch statement, or you can use the conditional operator. I want to talk about my experience in this day too. Um, what I learned in this day too is not only what I stated the last time. I learned that whenever they are teaching me, because I'm using a tutorial in order to learn fast, whenever they are teaching me, I have to try to guess what the person is trying to do. You understand? I have to pause the video, try to understand the code and write it myself. Sometimes, if he writes the code, I have to try to write it in a different way. When we are talking about programming, there is not a specific way to do something. There are different ways. You can use different ways to do, let's say, calculations, if statements. I'm not trying to impress anybody because I really want to become a very good software developer, a professional, and it's all about my, let's say, the way I want to learn, the things I want to build. It's not about impressing other people. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and see you in the day 3. I will keep you updated. And don't worry, I'm also going to build something, even though my code is going to be like beginner code, but I will try to build something with HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. Okay, subscribe.